If your pasta pot looks like a swimming pool, you're wasting energy and probably making soggy noodles. Let's fix that. Boiling pasta with less water is a smart move, and here's why. First, less water means less time to reach boiling point. It's just physics. The energy from your stove doesn't have to heat up a giant pot, so you use less gas or electricity. Fun fact, heating 1 liter of water takes about 4.2 kilojoules per degree Celsius. If you only use 2 liters instead of 4, you're slashing your energy use in half. Plus, a smaller water-to-pasta ratio makes your pasta water super starchy. That starchy liquid is liquid gold for thickening sauces and helping them stick to your noodles. So, less water equals faster cooking, more energy saved, and tastier pasta. Next time you make spaghetti, try using just enough water to cover the pasta. Save energy, save time, and taste the science.